Welcome to the Yebbo History Channel. Today, we present the top 10 fathers of Africa, leaders who have shaped the destiny of this great continent. At number 1, Haile Selassie of Ethiopia. From the 1930s to the 1970s, he led Ethiopia against Italian invasion and helped establish the Organization of African Unity, symbolizing African sovereignty. Coming in at number 2, Jomo Kenyatta of Kenya. Leading Kenya to independence in 1963, he became the nation's first president and a founding father. And third, Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana. Leading Ghana to independence in 1957, he was a champion of Pan-Africanism.
Number 4, Nelson Mandela of South Africa. His fight against apartheid and leadership in the 1990s made him a global symbol of resistance and reconciliation.
Fifth, Julius Nyerere of Tanzania. Leading from the 1960s to the 1980s, he promoted African socialism and unity.
Ethiotrans, African language localization and translation company serving African language to world since 1999. Do you speak your customer's language? For information, please give us a call 619-255-5530.
At number 6, Patrice Lumumba of Congo. Brief but impactful, his leadership in 1960 aimed for a united, independent Congo. 7th, Ahmed Sékou Touré of Guinea. Leading Guinea to independence in 1958, he was a strong anti-colonial leader. Number 8, Léopold Senghor of Senegal. A poet and cultural theorist, he led Senegal to independence in 1960. 9th, Hastings Kamuzubanda of Malawi. A key figure in Malawi's independence, he became the first president in 1964. And finally, Samora Machel of Mozambique. Leading from the 1970s to the 1980s, he guided Mozambique to independence in 1975. These leaders are celebrated for their roles in achieving independence and promoting unity across Africa. This program is brought to you by Yebbo Communication Network. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.
Yebbo Communication Network, your global business center since 1999. We offer global passport and visa services for selected countries, notary public and apostille and document authentication.